Hey, what is going on, guys? James here. I just wanted to do this video and kind of, really just share some results that I've had over the last few days. I've been doing a lot more trading lately and just wanted to kind of give you guys access into a huge opportunity right now and really just show you results, show you what's possible. I'm actually going to show you two trades that didn't do very good or didn't do what I was expecting, but we still made money off these trades. So I just want to kind of start, putting my results out there and just kind of showing you guys on a consistent basis what is possible when you learn a couple things about trading. Okay, so I'm kind of doing these videos from the perspective of being new. I haven't been trading for years. It's actually only been a couple months, and I was brand new when I started trading, so I didn't have any previous background or any, I guess, like skills that would help me do this. And so when I say that I'm new at this, I'm really new, but we're getting crazy results, and I want to show you how you guys can kind of do the same thing. I want to kind of show you what we're looking at. Tons of money is flowing into Bitcoin and into cryptocurrency. If you guys, I would be surprised if you have not been seeing cryptocurrency ads like in your newsfeed nonstop. Now we're running them, so we run a lot of those. But man, there's tons of people running ads. There's new courses coming out. Millions and billions of dollars is flowing into cryptocurrency. It is the trend right now. Like, if you're not in it, I don't know why. You need to be in it on some level. I'm not saying that you have to become a trader, but like, man, you need to get into, you have to be in this industry. There's going to be so much money made in crypto over the next few years. And so anyways, I just want to show you what we're doing. Okay, so I did two little trades over the last couple days, and one was on a coin called Edgeless. You can see it up here at the top left, and I traded it versus Bitcoin. All right, so I actually got into Edgeless right here on this bottom purple line. I got in right around, it was like 204 something, right? So it was like 0.000204 Bitcoin or whatever. And then I got out at 229. Okay, 229. So if we actually look at the profit on that, I was actually expecting a lot bigger pump on that one. But if you actually look at the profit on this, I'm going to move this screen over so you can see. That's about I think it was actually about 12%, a little over 12%. This says 11.88%. These lines aren't exact. It was right around 12% gain. So I made 12% profit on that trade. Okay, so just to kind of give you guys an overview concept of what, like how I trade, because there's so many different ways that people are buying into crypto. You might even like be buying cryptocurrency and you're just kind of hoping it goes up over time. We have a little bit more of like a specific trading plan that we follow, and there's not only one way to do it. There's multiple ways to do this, but one thing I've learned is that professional traders, traders that actually do this for a career and make a lot of money doing this, they always buy on their retracements. They never buy when a coin is pumping. So it's funny because over the last few weeks, as I've been really learning this stuff, I have seen coins that have been pumping really hard, and I start seeing comments and posts about it. Everyone starts buying it. We never, ever, ever buy the pumps. We wait, because every time a coin pumps, it will always retrace back down. Okay, and usually what we wait for is we wait for a coin to retrace about 78% or 61% of the entire move. So that means if a coin goes up to a certain point, we're looking for the coin to come back down, 60 to 70%, and then we're going to buy on that spot, because the probabilities are there that it's going to make two more pumps in the market cycle before it does a whole nother retracement move. Okay, so that's kind of the overview. I could go into technicals and how we see all that, but basically, see this pump on Edgeless. It pumped all the way up here. We didn't buy it. We waited till it drops down, and then we bought here on the dip, right on the retracement, and then works. And there really actually probably will be another move that goes up even above this high right here. Okay, I just didn't want to wait for that, so we got out of the trade. People kind of started questioning Bitcoin over the last few days, And over the last week, I guess, really, Bitcoin kind of started fluctuating, started dropping in price a little bit. And sometimes when that happens, these altcoins that we're trading, they kind of slow down a little bit. They kind of wait on Bitcoin or mimic Bitcoin sometimes. Okay, I'm not saying all the time. All right, so you got a good 12% gain there. It wasn't what I was wanting, but it's still profit, right? And then there's another one, Dash. I'll show you Dash versus Bitcoin. I trade on BitterX as the exchange, and I got in Dash right here. See how we did it again? Like the coin pumped. We waited till it comes back down. We bought the dip, and then we're riding it back up to the top. And I actually got a really good exit on this one. I sold off at the top, right, because it started retracing again. I could actually probably trade this coin again once it retraces. If it's going to retrace more, I would probably try to buy it down here. Maybe even. I'm not going to give like an exact price, but I'm going to be watching this over the next few days. And so anyways, so the move on this one was, let me do the measurement on this one. So on this one, we got, it was about a 13.6% profit on this one. So again, we were expecting more on this one, but 13%. Guys, like this isn't 13% on your money in a month. We got a 13% profit in a day, right? Well, this trade actually took a couple days, I think, to unfold, but we're doing like multiple trades a week. So we're closing out trades almost every day. I just closed one out the other day at around 87 or 90% profit. We had one in our group that pumped 175%. I think I got out a little bit earlier than 175%, but some people in our community made 175% on one trade. So like the amount of money that you can make on a monthly basis is staggering. Like this is an opportunity where you could literally come in, and even if you only had a few $100, I mean, people are coming in with 5, 10, 20, 50 grand and starting to trade. But, even if you didn't have like huge capital, man, when you're making, 20%, even 15, 20%, 50% gains on some of these trades, man, that it just adds up so fast. And so again, I just wanted to kind of put my results out there, and we do have a course, obviously, and a community. If you're interested in learning how to do this, my friend Dallin actually teaches this course. He's made 140 times on his money since January. And the kid is crushing it. He's 21 years old. He's amazing. He's the owner behind High Altitude Investing. And so anyways, he's been one person that's really helped me a ton in the area of trading. So shout out to him. But guys, I'm just going to kind of start putting my results out there. And if you're interested in learning how to do this, feel free to leave a comment below or send me a message. Or there might be a link in the comments. Just click the link and check out a webinar that we have. We have a free webinar that shows you how to do some of this stuff. And then obviously at the end of the webinar, we do sell our course, but the webinar is packed with value. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. So anyways, just wanted to share my results. I do want to say this really quick, kind of like right now what we're waiting on in Bitcoin. I say waiting. I actually got out of the Bitcoin position I was holding, where I'm just holding a lot of Bitcoin. I actually sold a lot of it off, not all of it, but a lot of it off, and just got into US dollars. Okay, I actually put some in Ethereum as well. But I actually got out of Bitcoin temporarily because I'm kind of waiting to see what Bitcoin is going to do. Again, this may not be your strategy. This is not the only strategy, but we play these waves, like we trade these waves within market cycles. And until we kind of know where it's at specifically, we are kind of, just kind of watching it. So I'm going to show you kind of what we're looking for on Bitcoin. Just so you guys can maybe have an idea. This might help you decide when to buy. Bitcoin's actually looking pretty solid today. It's making another move up. This is called a bullish engulfing candle, which means this red candle means the price was going down, and then this big green candle, as of right now, it looks like a bullish engulfing candle. See how it's engulfing the bearish candle? It's going up. It's a great sign. But what we're looking for in Bitcoin is I'm on a 6-hour chart, meaning each of these candlesticks represents 6 hours. But what we're looking for, see how this line, if you draw a line from this top right here, this is right around $5,000, and you just draw the line along the tops here, Bitcoin is actually trending down, okay? This is called a downtrending resistance. And so what's happening is what we are looking for, what traders are looking for, like good traders, what they're looking for is they're looking for the price to break above this downtrending resistance, okay? That is a great sign. It's actually a great buy signal. If this breaks through this downtrending resistance, then the probabilities are there that it's actually going to reverse direction and it's going to start trending upwards again. If it doesn't, if it keeps rejecting off this line, there might be some more bearish movement coming, maybe to 3,000. I don't know the exact number, but that's just something that we're looking for. So if you're interested in kind of playing the swings in Bitcoin and things like that, this is one of the things that we look for a lot. We always try to identify what is the support and what is the resistance. And so resistance is this line right here. See how the price comes up and it gets rejected off of that point. You know, price comes back up, it gets rejected off this point. Price comes up, it gets rejected off this point. And that's how we draw that downtrending resistance line. And so we're really waiting for Bitcoin to break out. It'd actually be a great thing. We're going to probably make money on it either way, whether it goes down or whether it goes up, as traders, you know, because we have the ability to do that. But it would be a great thing for the entire community if Bitcoin broke through this line. Okay, so those are just some of my thoughts. Again, kind of just sharing my results as a new trader, as someone that's you know, fairly new to this, but I've got a handle on the concepts and stuff like that. And the coolest thing is that I made thousands of dollars in profits since I've started as a brand new trader. So it's pretty exciting. You know, again, I'm going to recommend, whether it's trading or anything else in life, get around people that know what they're doing and get access to mentorship on some level, whether it's one-on-one, whether it's in a group or a community, because that can become a shortcut for you. You know, I could have gone through courses and books and spent 2 years trying to learn this stuff, but I went directly into a community where there's other people that are getting success, and it's not a biz op, right? It's actually people that are real traders. This isn't a biz op where people get paid to refer other people and you get paid on multiple levels. It's like none of that. It's strictly a community and a course where people learn how to trade for real. So if you're interested in that, hit me up. And again, just kind of wanted to throw this out there. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.